Hey everyone, today we are going to install MySQL in our Mac operating system. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. In the last video, we have installed VS Code, Node.js and Homebrew. You can find these videos in the description. So let's continue our video. First, head over to a browser and here just type download MySQL. Here you can see, don't click on this link. Directly click on this community edition, or you can directly click on the MySQL community server, this link. So we are clicking on the MySQL community, and now here you can see we have option of MySQL community server. Just click on this. Here you can see it has already selected the version. So what we are going to do, I will select this 8.04 40, or we can select 8.4.3 a long-term support version. So we will select 8.4.3 long-term support version. We have macOS as our operating system, and our version is macOS 14 ARM 64-bit. ARM 64-bit is one with the silicon chips that we are using, M1, M2 or M3 chips. So what we have to do, just click on this download DMG installer. It is asking to create an ID for Oracle, but we don't want to create, so we can just click on this no thanks, and your download will be started. This will take a few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. Let's wait for it to get completed. So see, it is now completed. Just click on it, and now just click on this. So see, it's asking for it to get installed. We will allow this. Simply we will click on continue. We will continue by accepting the agreement. Just click on agree. We have to install this for all the users in our system, so we will select this only. We don't want to change the location. If you want to, you can just click on this and change the location. I click on install. Here you have to provide the password for your Mac operating system. And now it will start installing it. Just wait for a few seconds. And now you have to provide a password. Have to select at least 8 character of password. Now you just give the password here. Click on finish. Now again we have to provide our Mac operating system password. Now it will complete the installation for us. Let's wait for a few seconds. So see, it is now successfully installed. Just close on this. If you want to keep this installer with you, you can just keep it. I don't want to keep it, so I will be moving it to the bin. Now let's see, we will go to the system settings, and you can see MySQL has been successfully installed in our system. And what is we have some basic configuration settings here, like you can start MySQL when your computer starts up. So what happens is, whenever your MacBook starts or you shut it down and you start it again, it will automatically starts your MySQL server. You can also stop the MySQL server from here only. Now we have to check for few more commands. Let's head to our terminal. Now if we type MySQL -u root and -p and then press enter. So what is saying that ZHS command is not found. So what we can do, just we have to make the path available in the ZHS file. So what we can do is just type ZHSRC. So there's a typo, just type open dot ZHSRC. So here the ZHSRC file has been opened for us. Now we have to give the path for our MySQL in this. So just paste this command, and here you can see user local MySQL bin. Here you have to give the path for your location where you have installed MySQL. For this path, what we can do, how we can find this, go to a spotlight, type user, go to this folder, and in this user you can go into the local, and then we can see we have two MySQL options here. We will go into this MySQL, which is the installation path. Then we have to go into the bin, and simply we have to copy this path. If you are not finding this path, you can go into the view, and you can enable this from here. Like if I want to show it, you can simply click on this and just click on this and click on copy bin as path name. Now we will clear this and paste our path. So this is our path. Just we have to do control save, close this file and close this. Now we will open a terminal again, and again we have to type MySQL -u root -p, and here you have to give the password for your MySQL which we have set. Press enter, and here you can see MySQL has been successfully installed in our Mac operating system. If you love this video, please do leave a comment and like this video and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, do comment. I'll try to resolve it for you. Thank you so much.